Let us spill this already spilled juice and talk about some entertainment news. Reality TV to be exact. Can we talk about Married at First Sight? And we are going to discuss Ubitoko and Usebenzile, right? So now this couple is one of my favorite couples. I feel Uguti they are functioning in a way that makes them get along, right? But now my question is most of their discussions are around the other couples. Is this a red flag for them or is it not a red flag? Because outside these people, what do you guys think Uguti there would be to discuss? I don't know, but for me as a couple, they look good together, right? They are cool and okay and whatnot. Besides the point of the other one having feelings for their ex, but what would they converse outside the relationship of the other participants? What would the conversation be, or am I reaching? Let me know, please. Do like, share, and subscribe.